Everybody loves cheese. Like, who doesn't like cheese?
Say cheese!
Fire.
Karon ato na sad ni i-review 10 yen cheese coin, bacon and mushroom. So ato ni, oh my god, kainit. Oh my god, inita. Swag it. Oh my god, inita. Sakitas kamot. Sabi. Oh, makita dyan ang mushroom and bacon. Yes, look at that. Super cheesy. Oh my god, inita, grabe. Woo! Diba, oh my god, kainit. Oh, yes.
Kani siya na product mo good. When it came from Japan, when we went to Japan, we saw that it was really trending there, especially like I'd see the cheese stretch, and I was like, why not bring it to Cebu? Because this product is not in Cebu yet. So since people love cheese, we were like, let's make one in Cebu.
Our opening times, like every day, we open every day from 10 a.m. to 7 or 8 p.m.
Say cheese! Say Cheese is now open here at Baseline Center, Cebu. We are open daily from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m.
Yeah, so what are you waiting for? Come and visit us and try the cheesiest street in Cebu.
Yeah, and we're also open in IT Park branch, which is our main branch. That's open from Tuesday to Sunday from 4 p.m. to 12 a.m.
Tara na, let's go!